Welcome everyone to watch the video of the various steps in machine learning techniques. So, what do you mean by machine learning first? It is a powerful tool that is a subset of artificial intelligence for solving complex problems with the help of various algorithms. Okay, by using these algorithms, it make predictions and decisions that will be have wide variety of applications. So the number one step in a machine learning algorithm is data collection. So first we have to collect the data. So it involves gathering data from various sources. Then the data formats. There are various types of data formats such as structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Normally, structured data is organized and follows a predefined format. Some examples for that structured databases are the customer information in a CRM system. So example, their name, email, and age. Then the spreadsheet, the sales records with the columns for date, product, price, etc. Unstructured data format. So it does not follow a predefined schema or format. So it can include various data types that don't fit neatly into the tables. Examples are the text from emails, social media posts, PDFs, chat transcripts, etc. So the third one is that semi-structured data format. So it is a mix between structured and unstructured. It doesn't adhere to a strict schema. So it has some organizational properties such as tag, metadata, etc. So data cleaning and data transformation. So these are the very critical steps in data preparation to ensure data quality and usability for analysis or modeling. So in data cleaning, normally they have focus on detecting and correcting the errors, inconsistencies, and the inaccuracies, etc. to improve the quality. It handles the missing data, then removing the duplicates and fix some structural errors and then outliers. So in case of data transformation, it involves the converting the data into a format or structure suitable for analysis or modeling. So the steps involving are such as the scaling and normalization from minimum to maximum scaling. So the scale values range from 0 to 1. Then standardization. So central data around mean 0 and standard deviation as 1. It converts the categorical variables into numerical ones. Then exploring data analysis. So it is a process of analyzing and summarizing data set to uncover the patterns, then detect the anomalies. The crucial step in data science overflow that understand the data before applying any advanced analytical methods. To understand the data well, then we have to generate the insights. So we view the first few rows to get an idea of the structure, then check the column names, data types and missing values, then access the size of the data sets. Then for visualization techniques, so there are various types of plots such as histogram, box plot, scatter plot, heat map, bar chart, line plot and pair plot. So in feature engineering, normally it create new features from already existing data that involves combining, transforming or extracting the features using various methods. Then we have to select the relevant features and remove the irrelevant features. That helps in reducing the noise and the unwanted data present in it. Then among the features, we have to select the best features using techniques such as the correlation analysis method and feature elimination and selecting the model. So particular algorithm has work in particular application. So we have to decide which one is best for what type of application. So decision tree is very easy to interpret. So they work for both classification and regression tasks. So it comes under the supervised learning purpose. Then neural net. So if you want to perform with a large data set means this neural net is the best option. So it mimics the human brain behavior. So it is useful for tasks such as image recognition and the NLP concept. Then SVM, support vector machine. So that excels in high dimensional data. Particularly it is useful for classification task. Then training the model. So we have to train the model with the obtained features. Then we have to adjust its parameters to minimize the cost function, which is the error. Then we have to optimize the model's parameters to achieve the best performance on the training model. So then evaluating the model with the help of accuracy, precision and recall. So a high accuracy indicates it's a very good model. High precision always indicating the model is good at avoiding a false positive, and a high recall that indicates it can avoid false negatives. We can able to tune this type of hyperparameters. Normally it improves its performance on the unseen data while adjusting the model's configuration settings. Then grid search. So it systematically try different combination and select the best one. So during the models training, we can use different combination to find the best one. Then the cross validation is evaluating the model's performance, that involving with splitting the data into various floats and training and evaluate with the different combinations of float. A simple example is that k-fold cross validation method. Then deploying the model. So this model deployment normally refers to the process of making a trained machine learning model so available for use in production environment. So it involves in integrating the model into a system or app so it can process new data and general predictions or decision. So the key steps are model packaging, environmental setup, tools and platforms for deployment is cloud platforms such as AWS, SageMaker, GCP AI platform, and Azure Machine Learning. Then the frameworks for serving models are TensorFlow, TorchServe, and ONX runtime. I hope you understand the fundamental steps present in the machine learning model. Meet you in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye from Vijay.